Hi there, my name is Kiara Lynch. I'm an art curator from the West Kootenays, and here we are today at the Columbia Valley Center in Invermere, excited to introduce Requiem for a Glacier to this community for the first time. It's been 9 years since we performed the piece on Farnham Glacier, just 50 kilometers away. And this piece has traveled the world. It's been presented all over the place, and finally it's back in the community where it originated. I'm with Paul Walde here beside me, who will speak a little bit more about the piece.
In the 9 years since we presented this piece for the first time, its relevance has grown, unfortunately. And one of the messages in the piece is that it's about how we use wild spaces, and the issues and how we use wild spaces and the impact on the environment in our use of wild spaces hasn't diminished in the 9 years. In fact, it's only increased. So it's great to be able to present this in this community, and it's a delight to be here.